Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace rear bumper cover on Mercedes CLK. This one will be the W208 guys from 97 all the way until 2003. Some models might slightly differ, but procedure will be mostly the same. Stay with us, we'll demonstrate how to remove the bumper now. We need to open the trunk, we need to remove, okay, that thing right here. You can see that carpet. So just pull it out. We'll start from underneath now to work. There are a few hidden things that we're gonna show you. Now we need to remove all these clips here with a small screwdriver guys. You need to pull those out. Okay, like that. It's a little bit unusual procedure to remove the bumper cover on this Mercedes compared to other Mercedes. One flew away, make sure you don't lose them, break them, just take your time. Okay, and two more right here. Okay, next we'll need to pry those pieces out as well, the second piece of the clip. Okay, you can see like that. We have more than 100 videos I assume on this vehicle guys, so if you have one, please subscribe, help us grow that channel together. Hopefully we can save you some money. Okay, and now we have another clip right here towards the back. That one you pull the center piece out and then you can pull the whole clip. Okay, right there. We have the same thing on this side as well. Okay, like that. Okay, so next we should be able to pull that trim piece out unless something else is holding here. And it's not. Okay, make sure you don't break it, those sometimes are fragile. And we'll just put it inside like that and pull one side out. Next we need to get a 10mm socket and there is 3 nuts that we need to remove. Okay, right there. One is here, one is, okay, that's the nut toward the lock right here, you can see. And there is one. Next we need to remove that plastic screw there and we need to pull that carpet out of the way and we'll show you why. There is 2 more bolts hidden. Okay, for the bumper. Okay, you can see this is one there and there is one over there. Those should be with a 13mm. We'll go ahead and check and let you know for sure. So actually it's 10mm. Okay, you can see it's a little bit unusual because many things we have to do from the trunk area, not from the outside. Okay, and now the other one there. Okay, this one is out as well. Now we need to switch to this side. And exactly the same procedure there as well. Okay, but here it's a little bit less room. And here you can go ahead and disconnect the light actually. So it's out of the way. It's just 2 wires. And 2 screws again with a 10mm. You can see this one is a little bit hard to get to, and there is one more which is even harder. Stay with us to see why. Okay, now you can see it's towards the front of that thing, so you can just pull it towards the back. That I think this is the vacuum pump here, and you'll find the other ball there as well. Just go ahead, pull that one out as well. Okay, second screw out. Now you need to go towards the tire, and there will be one screw right there. Some are different sizes, different screws, so it really depends on the model. Ours is with a T30. Okay, the star looking bit. So we need to go ahead and remove it now. And they tend to corrode sometimes really bad there. Okay, you can see it's coming off, but it's not easy. So you can spray some WD-40 if you need to there. Okay, and I think it just came out. Okay, that's the whole screw now. Alright guys, next we need to switch sides. We need to go to the driver's side, and it's the same procedure, but on this side actually they installed a different kind of screw. That's the one, okay, that you twist by hand or with screwdrivers. So this is, guys, the clip, kind of like you need to twist it and pull it out, but it broke, and almost 95% of the time, for being so old and having mud and everything else stuck in it, it will break. So you need to replace it with a screw or by original clip later. We'll need to remove that little one there now. All we need to do, pull the center piece out of it. Okay, and then you need to pull the whole clip. And those, I'm telling you, they are getting stuck there. Okay, you can see it will come out. At least this one didn't break. Perfect, like that. Alright guys, next you need to gently grab it on this side. And you need to pull towards the back. Okay, like that. Hold it good. Okay, because it just came off. Okay, like that. So 2 people for just disassembling at the end will be better, so you can hold it and not scratch it if you just need to remove it for something. So here you go, guys, that's the bumper cover. You can see, not very complicated once you know what to do. Thank you for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.